What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best TV stands in 2021. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance and particular use, we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off today with the Devase 3-in-1 TV stand, also known as the best TV stand for the versatility you can found on the market in 2021. It offers flexibility in both function and appearance, with multiple uses as a TV stand, bookcase and display cabinet, and reconfigurable L-shaped shelves. Jeremy thought the modular design was particularly innovative and flexible in suiting his needs because the stand can be constructed in different configurations to complement the more traditional or modern decor and can be scaled to fit smaller spaces. The customization options also boast reasonable storage space for media consoles, DVDs, books, or decorations. Measuring 46.2 by 11.8 by 20.8 can accommodate up to a 65-inch TV weighing up to 75 pounds. There are two options available for board thickness. The 0.6-inch eco-friendly MDF board is heavier, while the 0.9-inch eco-friendly honeycomb board has melamine facing and is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. The stand is currently available in 4 colors: white, black, oak, and espresso. The second product on our list for today is the Atlas Plus Floating TV Stand, also known as the best designed TV stand you can found on the market in 2021. A definite conversation starter and space saver, the Atlas Plus is one of the only TV stands that don't touch the ground. The console mounts easily to your wall at any height with its innovative hanging rail mounting system. The Atlas Plus may seem unsteady, but the 16 by 58.2 by 16.8 inch off-the-floor console holds flat-screen TVs up to 60 inches and is strong enough to handle up to 165 pounds. It boasts 3 compartments for A/V components and is capable of holding 137 Blu-ray discs or 93 DVDs. The floating stand is manufactured in Canada and uses a CARB-compliant, laminated composite wood for a sleek finish. Note that colors come in espresso, white, and black, and a 5-year manufacturer's limited warranty. The third product on our list for today is the Vivo Universal LCD Tabletop Stand, also known as the best budget TV stand you can found on the market in 2021. Are you looking for a straightforward, affordable TV stand without all the bulk and clutter? Then check out this one from Vivo that fits screens from 22 to 65 inches. Jeremy found it to be a simple and minimalistic stand that still provided plenty of support and peace of mind. The Vivo's tabletop is designed to connect to the back of your flat-screen TV with its universal mounting holes that measure between 75mm by 75mm and 800mm by 400mm. The strength-tested solid steel legs are padded and won't scratch furniture surfaces. It can hold weight up to 110 pounds and provides a great level of support to balance your TV's base. Due to its simplicity, it's also one of the easiest TV stands to set up. The fourth product on our list for today is the Fituoise TT207001MB Universal TV Stand, also known as the best adjustable TV stand you can found on the market in 2021. Want to add a little height to your television? The modern and sleek Fituoise TT207001MB swivel stand and mount comes without the bulkiness but doesn't sacrifice the functionality and height you'd want out of a TV stand. Our reviewer liked that it was compatible with VESA standard mounts and capable of adjusting from 100 by 100 to 600 by 400. It fits most TVs measuring 32 to 65 inches. The stand and mount combo are actually 16.5 by 27.5 by 50.8 inches. The smart design also adds 2 shelves with a unique ability to swivel, so your TV can be directed up to 15 degrees in all directions by pivoting the mounting section. The last and fifth product on our list for today is the Ameriwood Home Carson Fireplace TV Console, also known as the best TV stand for accessories you can found on the market in 2021. The Ultra Furniture Carson measures 18 by 63.1 by 26 inches and is large enough to accommodate a 70-inch flat-screen TV.
It features built-in reflectors with a patented technology that gives off a realistic flame effect. The LED light source has a 50,000-hour lifespan that can warm up rooms up to 400 square feet. It's built with 2 large cabinets and open shelving, so you can have enough space for all your gaming consoles, TV receivers, books, and more. Colors also come in cherry, black, and Sonoma oak. That's all for now. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and make sure to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.